Hello everyone, today we are making Shanghai-style fried shrimp. The shrimp are crispy on the outside and coated in a savory, slightly sweet sauce. It's packed with protein, delicious, and surprisingly easy to make at home. Even though I'm not a big seafood person, this is my favorite shrimp recipe so far. Let's start with the aromatics. Quarter 2 small shallots and separate the layers. Dice a small piece of ginger. Then cut 3 cloves of garlic into small pieces, about the same size as the diced ginger. For the green onions, we'll mainly use the white and the light green parts. Cut them into small pieces and set aside. Now let's prepare the shrimp. I'm using previous frozen shell-on shrimp. As you can see, the heads are already quite loose, so I'm just going to remove them. You can also use headless shell-on shrimp. Traditionally, whole live shrimp are preferred, but they can be hard to find, so these shrimps work great too. After that, just trim off the legs with kitchen scissors. To remove the vein, insert a toothpick under the vein at the second segment from the head. Gently lift it up, then pull it out. You can also use a small fork to do this. Then give the shrimp a good rinse and place them on a cutting board. Make a shallow cut along the underside of each shrimp. This helps the shrimp absorb more flavor and also makes it easier to remove the vein underneath. Then pat the shrimp very dry and set aside. Once the shrimp are ready, let's make the sauce. Add 1½ tablespoons of soy sauce, ½ tablespoon of vegan oyster sauce, 1½ tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, and 1 tablespoon water. Mix everything together till the sugar is mostly dissolved, then set aside. Now it's time to fry the shrimp. Heat the oil to around 180 to 200 degrees Celsius. Then carefully add the shrimp. Use a splatter screen to protect yourself from the hot oil and fry for about a minute. The frying time may vary depends on the size of your shrimp, so be careful not to overcook them. I'm frying the shrimp in 2 batches to keep the oil temperature from dropping too much. The key here is to fry them quickly at a high temperature. Now let's put everything together. Add a little of the frying oil to the wok. Then add the shallot, ginger, garlic, and green onion. Sauté till fragrant. Give the sauce a quick stir before adding it to the wok, since some of the sugar may have settled at the bottom. Let the sauce cook for a few seconds. Once it starts to thicken slightly, add the shrimp back in and quickly toss everything together till the shrimp are evenly coated with the sauce. And that's it! The shrimp are crispy on the outside, tender and juicy inside, and coated in that savory, slightly sweet sauce. It smells amazing and it tastes even better. I hope you give this recipe a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.